Okay, this video we're going to do number 24 from the review. And so we're still writing a polynomial given the roots. And so our process is roots to factors, and then we'll distribute them to get the polynomial. My first step, if I have negative 2 over 5 as a root, this is actually going to end up in a factor. This 5 will go with the x. Anything in the bottom is going to go with the x. And now the top will be the number by itself, but I just need to switch the sign. So that's going to be 5x plus 2. That wasn't too bad. Now we get to the x equals 3 plus 2 square root of 2. And what I want to do with this, we know we're going to have to square the both sides just because I have a square root here and we'll need to get rid of it. But before I do that, I want to move the 3 over. It will make things a lot less messy. So we'll do that through x minus 3 equals 2 square root of 2. And now we can square both sides with the intent of getting rid of this square root on the right side. Like we talked about earlier, make sure that squaring is multiplying something by itself twice. And what I want you to remember with these, this exponent is going to square both things in here. So it's squaring this 2 and it's squaring the square root of 2. So 2 squared, that's just 4. The square root of 2, once we square it, it gets rid of the square root, and I'm left with 2. So we'll multiply those together. Let's distribute this side, so I get x squared minus 3x minus another 3x plus 9 equals 8. And now I'll move this 8 over while combining like terms. X squared minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. Solid. So now we get to have more fun, and I'm going to multiply the 5x plus 2 times the x squared minus 6x plus 1. 5x times x squared is 5x cubed. 5x times negative 6x is negative 30x squared. And 5x times 1 is just 5x. 2 times x squared, that's 2x squared. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12x, and 2 times 1 is just 2. So now when I combine my like terms, 5x cubed minus 28x squared minus 7x plus 2. So that would be my polynomial. Be sure you include f of x equals in front so then we know it's an equation.